Guys, I made this bread at home. Make sure you watch this video, follow the way I've made it, make yours, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's a very nice bread. You can make them at home for your kids. So make sure you watch this video and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video at the end. You can see how nice the breads are, and really soft, and they're well cooked on the inside. So guys, watch and subscribe. These are my ingredients. I have eggs, 3 eggs, half sugar. This flour is a self-raising flour, and I have margarine, as you can see, and I'll add some salt. Let's start mixing the ingredients. So I'm gonna start by add the flour. My flour is 1 kg, but it's halfway, so it's like 500 grams. So I'm gonna use all of it. Remember, I just want few for breakfast. This is a breakfast idea. So the next thing I'm gonna add is turmeric. I didn't show you the turmeric. I'm gonna add turmeric. And then sugar. A lot of sugar because we want it to be sweet. And then the salt, it's a bit like a half teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to make a dough with milk. Let me get the milk. Even the milk wasn't here. Let me get the milk. So I'm gonna mix this first. That is the milk. So I have a quick mix of these dry ingredients. And then the next thing we are going to add is eggs. Let me add all the sugar. It's half this container, 3/4 of this container. My container is 100 ml, so you need a lot of sugar because you want something sweet for breakfast. So we mix well, and then the eggs. Remember, I'm in my kitchen, don't worry guys. So I'll put 3 eggs. Sorry for the asthma sounds. I think we need them in a video. Yeah. Then we add the milk. My milk is 500 ml, but I don't think I'll use all of it. I think I just need a quarter. Then this is a dough that I'm making, mixing everything up. Just a breakfast idea, guys, that I'm want to show you. Something you can make for yourself or your family when you're tired with the bread, with the chapos or sweet potatoes, all those. So this is just a hack. You need a soft dough. I will write my ingredient on the description box because the time I was introducing the video they were scattered, so I'll make sure I write them on the description box. At this point I'm gonna be adding the margarine, like 10 grams. Let me scoop. I'm scooping, guys, give me time. Yeah, there you go, that's enough. Yeah, that will be enough. Continue making the dough. Guys, in case you're new here, welcome. This is Dishinabecky. I'm just showing you a breakfast idea, so make sure you watch the whole video. like, subscribe in case you haven't subscribed, and share. Let me get some more flour to make it a bit not too sticky. So here guys, I'm working on the dough until it becomes less sticky and soft. As you can see the way it looks. If it's sticky, we still need to add a little bit of flour. Until it's less sticky, but still we need it soft. So you can knead it 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, I think it's okay. As you can see, it's okay. So we'll get it back to the container. Even if it's sticky, it's not. It will be okay. So I'll cover it, leave it for 30 minutes, then I come back guys. We start making our bread. So make sure you stick here. I'm back guys, and the flour is less sticky, I think. And let's start portioning. Guys. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on my working space before I start portioning it. That's how I'm gonna be portioning it. Small sizes, because you know I'm gonna use flour just to make these shapes, like the one that we make for chapatis. That's not just small ones. These ingredients you can also use them on mandazis, but for now I want to make this sweet bread. It doesn't require a lot of oil. That's why I love making it this way. Otherwise, these ingredients, if you want to make mandazis, this can be very good for mandazi, because we have used the self-raising flour. You can see the color on the flour is for the eggs, the turmeric, you know. Don't want big portions, because this flour doesn't stretch much. It's not like the all-purpose flour. It doesn't stretch much, so you don't need them very thick. Me, I love slim breads. Sorry, breads, not bread. The Kikuyu in me. So chill out guys, let's do this together so that you guys can get it and go make some for your family. Just surprise them with this nice and sweet, yummy recipe. So it doesn't require a lot of oil. You guys will see the way I'll do it on the pan. Just shallow frying. It's just like chapatis. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's do this till the end. So I'm making them small because I repeat, I don't want big breads. Just want slim ones. So you can spice the bread anyhow you want. You can add parsley, yeah. But if you want them to last for at least, I think 3 days, you can opt not to use some of those ingredients, unless you're freezing them. So I'm through with the shapes. So we're going again to spread as we get them to the pan with you people. So make sure you tuned in. So I'm through. So let's start kneading them. Get my rolling pin. It's here. Guys, remember this is just home cooking, nothing serious, though you can use some of these recipes at work, because such things you can make for. So this oil that I'm adding, you can add or not, okay? You can opt to add or not. You can make them just like that, but me, I would love to add because they raise, when they have that oil, they raise up. So let's just do it quick. They are very small, so there's not a lot of work. So see, they don't stretch much. So let me so make sure you do make some for your family, and let me know what do you think about the breads. I call them sweet breads. This is just my recipe, and I say the ingredients. I'm gonna list them, guys, so that you get to use my recipe, and let me know what you think about them. Yeah, and make sure you watch my other videos. I would appreciate if you watch my other videos. You make this for kids. They love them. Instead of buying mandazi, this is a hack for breakfast. The kids can carry to school. Yeah, it's a snack. And I said it's not a must you apply the oil that I'm applying, but I apply because I want them to rise. You can add if you want them to rise, and if you have time to do so. Yeah, it's not much work. Just do it for your family, anything for the family. So make sure you tuned to this channel, Dishinabecky. We cook at home, only home cooking. But also these recipes, if you will use them at your restaurant for your clients, like this thing, you can get good money from them. You can get good money from them. Let me knead the rest without you guys, and then I take you to the jiko and let's fry them. So guys, this is how I'm spreading the bread before getting them into the jiko. Hope you guys can see, and I hope you guys know how to do it. So I'll show you the way I'm doing it on the jiko. I'll still apply oil on that. As you can see, the flour doesn't, the dough doesn't spread that much. So I'm doing just small ones, yeah. You can see. So that's how they are. But I'm gonna be adding some oil. Let them cook. Just because I'm doing the video, that's why I've done that one first. Then we start adding the oil. So let's go to the pan together. There you go, guys. That's one of our sweet bread. use my spoon. It's really soft. If you play around with it, it's gonna crumble. So let's add some oil at the bottom and at the top. Some food that's boiling on the other side. Hope you guys will understand this is home cooking. Yeah. So let's check this one. Yeah, it's done. Cook on this other side just for a few minutes because this one was almost going. Did I use that word? So let me cook this on this side. If you can cook them on the sides in case they are thick like this one. But see that let's cook the next. You see the way it's soft, it's even crumbling. Let's put the second one. There you go. Let me prepare another one over here as we wait for that one. I hope you guys gonna stay tuned. You know it's going to take time. I'm very fast because I don't want my kids also to come from school and find me cooking this. So let's flip. There you go. So I'm on this other side preparing the next one. I'm only going to cook 3 with you guys and then done. I'll show you how we taste and see how they are together with you. So you can cook with margarine or butter if you have butter. Or even oil. This is normal oil that I'm using. Leave it cook a bit over here. It's not done. So just we wait for 2 seconds and we put this to other one. And the remaining with just few, and then guys I show you the outcome. It's done. There you go. So he said here, these are just Dishinabecky recipe you can use. So I want it to cook here on the sides. You see, it's cooked on this other side. So let's go to the next one. Here you go, guys. My breads are here. Let's cut one and see how they look like inside. Here you go, guys. You see how soft they are? That's how they look like. They are like a cake. See on the inside. Hope you guys are lifting it up. You see? They are well done. Very soft. Very soft. Kids can easily have them. So guys, make sure you use this recipe. Subscribe to Dishinabecky channel and let me see you on the next video.